Aggressive and off-road ready F-150s need a set of rear shocks that will give them serious performance and resist fade no matter how tough the going gets. And Fox's 2.5 factory series Piggyback Reservoir shocks can handle just about anything you throw at them. Each of these shocks easily absorb the hard hits and aggressive off-road driving that would wreck the day of your F-150's factory rear shocks, and their piggyback mounted reservoirs give them a huge oil capacity that allows them to resist fade in even the most high-speed off-road applications. For easier access to the rear suspension, we raise the truck and remove the rear wheels. Remove the lower shock nut and set it aside to reuse later. Move on to the top mount and remove its mounting bolt as well. Then you can take the shock out of the truck. Place the Fox shock in the top mount with the factory hardware, then move the axle up or down with a jack to align the lower shock mount. Replace its hardware and tighten both mounts to finish the shock install. We then put on our new wheels and tires to top it off.
The Fox 2.5 rears, it's a pretty heavy duty suspension for just a regular, STX build, but we have the deck system, we've got the four-wheeler we put on there, and I was able to go 70 miles an hour off-road, and they just dealt with it great. We've also got the Halo block and the Add-A-Leaf on here. And you can see right now that gives the truck a little bit of a rake, which might not be ideal for everyone, but we used this truck. Last weekend it was pulling a boat. Weekend before it had the four-wheeler in it. You can see I've still got wood in there for a campfire. So we wanted something that was going to be able to deal with that weight constantly. We've got about 500 miles on this trip. We're loving this thing so far. We've run 2.0s, Foxes in the past. We've run Icon 2.5s, and they are just soaking up everything this road can give to them. We've got a bunch of weight on the rears. We've got 2.5 inch width of resi on the rear. We've got a 800-pound four-wheeler in there, the deck system. And it just doesn't care. They just love it.
I would mention those 2.5 shocks are also running along with a 2-inch Halo Lifts rear block and a 1.5-inch Add-A-Leaf kit from Ready Lift. So they're about at their max extended height as far as what Fox rates them for. And they're still doing just fine, especially with all that weight on them.
We had them on one of our 15 trucks, and we were out just even on some washboarded roads. I think we said we were somewhere in the 25 mile an hour range is about all we felt comfortable doing with those, as opposed to these. And it was nothing to do 75 miles an hour down a road and, kind of come into something too fast, hit it and just brace for impact, and the Fox 2.5s just soaked it up.
Check out all of the upgrades available for your F-150 by heading to stage3motorsports.com and click that subscribe button for all of our latest video content.